just going to fall out from underneath this damn thing. Now screw it on there.
The captain he doesn't realize that Otto is desperately trying to save his life.
Hehehe